Hey friends, Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a project on Grok. So once you're inside the Grok AI app, just simply go ahead and click project on the left hand side and it's going to take you over to the project. Also, if you hover over project, you'll also find a plus. So that can take you right here to know you can create a project. But if you choose whether to click the plus or to click on Grok, you'll be also taken over to this project page here. And you can easily go ahead and click new project from here or new create project on the upper right hand side. So once you do that, you can go ahead and basically give your project a name. So I'm going to just say, for example, learn AI, and I can now say whatever I want this project instruction, right? So I'm going to just say all about learning AI tools. Let's say that's what I want to give it. Then click on next. And right here, I can attach images. If I want to attach any image, I can do that. I can click on attach and I can just say upload something from my computer, for example. And I'm going to just recently choose a file. Let's say I'm going to choose this untitled document here. I'm going to click on that. And as you can see, it is there. And you can even upload images if you want. It's really up to you guys. Whatever it is that you want, you can choose. I'm going to just choose a random thumbnail here and you will see that it attached as well. So once you do that, click on done and you have your project ready, right? And you'll be able to as well see the files and so forth that you upload. In case you create your project and you're not seeing files there that you upload, you can always come back here to the section where it says file and you can always attach those files, right? So it's really easy to do. Whichever option you choose, you can go ahead and do that. And that's pretty much it, guys. Very easy and very simple. As I said, if you want to attach new files in your projects, you can always click the plus when you click on a project and you can basically add more files, as you can see right here. Yeah, but that's it. Once you attach your files and you have your project created and ready, you will find those attached files that you've uploaded. And that's pretty much it.